Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to change phone number in Tim Hortons.
So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Now you'll have to go to the official website of Tim Hortons. Simply click on the search bar, type in timhortons.com, press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Tim Hortons. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're logged into your account over here, you'll be able to find your name. So simply click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find several options like Teams rewards, account info, payment methods, recent orders, etc. Click on the second option, that is account info. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the account info interface. You'll be able to access the account information like your email, name, phone number, date of birth, country and zip code over here. So if you want to change your phone number, what you have to do is click on the filter phone number. Now erase the initial phone number. After you do that, what you have to do is enter the new phone number over here. Now after you enter the phone number, what you have to do is scroll down. You can also make other changes if you want. Now click on the update option that you can see on the screen. Now your account information has been updated. If you want to see if your phone number has been changed or not, click on the option account info again. Now right now you can see over here your phone number has been changed. So like this, you'll be able to change the phone number in Tim Hortons. So that is how you change phone number in Tim Hortons. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.